Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to create a speed ramp on Capcut PC. So I have these love videos, I have love icon videos. I want to make a speed ramp on this video. So what you have to do, you just click on your videos and then you can see on the right panel here, video speed animation tracking and an adjustment. You click the speed tab and then you can see this is the option of curve, not the normal. If you are using normal, which means you speed up all the video like this or speed down all the video like this. What we want to do is do it a ramp or the velocity, and then what you have to do is go to the curve tab on the right, curve. So you can choose the curve. It has the preset curve. For example, I want to make the montage curve. See, I have, if the default will be like this, it will fasten and then slower and then fasten again and slower again and so on. So I can edit the speed. For example, on this speed I want to make it slower, really slow, and on this speed I want to make it really fast, and then this speed also fast, and then this is the RAM, so make it smoother. See, now we will see the result. See, really good, really nice. That's it. You can explore by yourself what ramp you want to do, what velocity edit you want to do. You also customize the ramp and so on and so on. Thank you. If you have any question, please put on the comment below, and then if you think this content is helpful for you, you can click add, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.